guys, it's me, Ruowen Huang. Actually, I'm going to change this. Hi, kids. It's your mom. It's your mom. Today, I want to talk about a very sensitive topic. I know I avoid, your dad avoid, you guys avoid. And why am I doing broadcast? Because today, if you don't know what day is today is the time we both agree I will do a broadcast about it and get this over with for myself, for your dad, for you guys, and for many awkward parents out there who need to talk about sex with your kids. So kids, you say if I do the broadcast, you're going to watch it instead of me sitting on the table and talk to you how this work. So I'm gonna do this and let's get it over with, okay? So kids, and when I say kids, that's darn phone. Believe it or not, parents have our awkward moment. This is one of our awkward moments. It's equally awkward to us as a parent to talk to you as it is for you kids to listen to us. So this is awkward all around, but it's something as a parent we think we need to do, but we don't know how to make it not so awkward for you. So kids, you say you're gonna watch this, and as I say, I will send you the link, so you better watch it. So by now, you guys are teenagers. You both have boyfriend, girlfriend. And, I hope you guys understand where you come from. Since many of you claim you do learn it at school. I'm going to assume your school really know what they're doing, and then they really teach you what it's like. But as a parent, we have a saying too. So bear with me. As uncomfortable as you are, bear with me for a little bit. By now, I hope you understand the child doesn't pop up from nowhere and no one pick you up from anywhere. Child is creating by mating. Mating require one egg and one sperm, and hope you by now understand who had the egg and who had the sperm. So among all the animals that we have cat, we have bird, we have everything else. I've been trying to let you understand how nature continuously carries its own bloodline. So by now you will understand human does the same. You have egg, you have sperm. Once they meet together, like each other, then they start multiplying, start creating baby. And how do you make sure you have baby? You have sex. If you don't know, make sure you go back and check with your teacher. I want to make sure they tell you how sex is happening, okay? So with 2 egg cannot create a baby. With 2 sperm cannot create a baby. You need an egg and a sperm. Get it? This is so awkward. This is supposed to be your dad's job. But that's okay. I want to get it over with. So you must understand, baby come out from mating. However you call it. Make love, have sex. But in nature, mating. 2 people met, so you will have baby. Right? So why do we, as a parent, feel the need to talk to you at this age? Because you both have boyfriend and girlfriend, and we, as a parent, a little bit worried. I hope you guys can see I'm really nervous. That's why I can see how this conversation never really go anywhere. But I'm going to try to hit all the points that I want to tell you guys. Because you both have somebody you love. It's nature when you love someone, you want to caress them, you want to hug them, you want to get close to them. But due to your age, yes, due to your age, we understand as a parent, you don't always listen to us. Yes, we do hope you listen to us, but we know you don't. So understand that guideline. We want you to follow certain guideline. So both of you, I have girls and I have son. Now you understand, since you have a lovely another half, and you understand an egg and a sperm will create a baby. I say this 1,000 times. I am not interested of becoming a grandma. No, I don't. Not until you are ready to build a family. And I already say this in case you don't know. At the age of 16, I hope you don't come to me and say you're ready for the family. Trust me, you're not yet. You're not yet. And I will give you a roughly time that when is the best time for you to think if you're ready to be a parent. That is 2 years after you, at least 2 years after you experience what the adult life is like. Because by then, you're able to understand if you're able to take care of yourself. You know, because looking after baby, you guys hardly ever look after the cat the whole time. You hardly ever look after the dog the whole time. Look after baby is 24/7 job. So before you want to look after the baby, I, as a parent, would prefer you to at least able to take care of yourself. So when I say you are able to take care of yourself, it's not just take care of yourself, like having a shower, feed yourself, but I mean able to support yourself financially, physically, mentally, or anything. When you're able to do that, then maybe we can sit down and have a conversation about if you're ready to have a family. So if you're not that age yet, I really hope you understand how to use condom. I know it's awkward for me to talk about that when you were right in front of me. It's really awkward for your dad to talk about that when he's in front of you. But kids, please do know how to use the condom. All right? So I know many of you, both of you come to me and say, yeah, you guys practice that in the class at the school. It's all awkward. You know, you practice it on the wood stick. First of all, wood stick. Body part is a fragile thing. So I joke about this before, and I'm not quite sure you guys hear that. But instead of trying to practice wearing a condom on wood stick, I really highly recommend it. Banana would be a good start. Banana is a good start. So try that. So before you apply the condom, make sure you pop out all the air. Otherwise, you know the movement will make the balloon pop. That is physics. I hope you guys really understand. Aside from that, why is condom really important for us as a parent, or I feel need to talk to you about it and then bring such an awkwardness or tension between us? Nothing personal, really. No, not, yeah, somewhat personal, but nothing personal. First, aside from me, don't want to be a grandma, and I don't think your dad want to be a granddad. We simply don't think you want to be ready to be a parent yet, because your future is still got so much potential and things like that. There's still so much things that you can enjoy life about. You can still enjoy being a kid. So remember how you always argue with me about being a kid? Being a parent kind of take that away. So, you know, we want you to fully enjoy your life. That's one, by using condom. If you really come to that point, you have to use it. Do use it. Learn how to use it. And don't think buying a bigger size condom means you have a big penis. It doesn't go that way. Find a brand and find a size that actually fit. You know, otherwise you kind of lose. When you do that things, it kind of fall out. That's kind of useless. So don't do that. So, you know, this is so, I really want to get this over with. I want to do this episode. I want you guys to watch it when I'm not around, and I want to get this over with, okay? So I want to make sure I touch everything that I think I want to talk to you about. So aside from we don't want anybody to get pregnant, I don't want anybody to get pregnant, period. Because eggs, sperm become kids. And none of us want that, do we? Right? So show some respect. You don't want to have a kid, I don't want to have a kid. I'm pretty sure whoever you are with doesn't want to have a kid. So that's whether you are a boy or girl, understand, do that. Aside from that, condom also serve great purpose. It keeps you from disease. Yeah, I know. I know you guys so well. I already know what question you're going to ask me. I know you guys are all young kids, you guys are all pure, you don't have a messy life that adults have. Yes, but remember we had that awkward conversation again. You never know their hygienic level. You never know how many days they haven't had a shower. You never know what they did before or after. So you know what? Having like condom can kind of keep that germ away and keep some bacteria away. So, keep the full around protection whether you are a girl or the boy. And remember to both of you, to my daughter and to my son, having condom is not just about pregnancy. It's about you showing demonstration of you know how to take care of yourself. Not only just take care of yourself, you show respect to the people you are with too. And I know you guys' hormone is a little bit over the top sometimes. I try not to follow everywhere you go. I try not to I try not to be nosy about everything. But if your if your girlfriend or your partner is a minor, and when I say minor, I really believe 15 is kind of young. Nothing personal, but it's kind of young. Having a relationship is great. You guys got to enjoy each other's company and have someone to be there for you when your parent obviously got no idea what kind of world you're going through. That is all great. But when you want to go to the next level, have some kind of physical intimacy, yeah, don't tell me you don't think about it. I know it's kind of in you guys' head. You just don't want to talk to me about. But I want you guys to understand. We would like you to wait so you can demonstrating a little bit self-discipline. But most importantly, we want you to exercise a very important thing called respect. Respect the girl you're with is still young. Respect. They still have so much thing to learn. They may be curious and all that, but respect that. You know what I mean? Bring yourself to that time, understand how confused you were. We simply want you to be able to respect that and understand that would go a long way. Be able to show your other half. I mean, eventually you understand all relationship require building. Just like me and your dad bickering all the time, we fight all the time, and we might have good time, we might have bad time. Eventually you will understand all relationship or all kind of relationship, no matter you want to have a relationship with your friends or girlfriends or boss or anything, all relationship require work. And this is something that what we really want you to learn is to show some respect, and especially the person that you actually find affectionate to, or you adore them, or you like them. That respect would take you a long way. You know what I mean? People will appreciate that one day. So if they are minor, well, daughter, you're kind of adult now. I cannot leave you alone. I'm not going to go there. But, son, if you happen to date someone who is a little bit on the bracket of 15 and 16, Can't you just make out? But don't go too far. Just show a little bit of respect, because, you know, the parents might worry about the girl as much as we worry about both of you. So anyway, this is so awkward, but I really want to get this over with. You know, I know it seems like we always want to bug you guys all the time, but understand this is equally awkward conversation for me and your dad. We had to fight over who's gonna talk to who all the time. And then every time we're sitting on the table, we don't even know where to begin with. So here you go, kids. This video, I hope by now, if I send you the link, you already know, and you promised me you'll watch it, so you are going to watch it. So, I hope by now you know how baby is made out, where they come from. Egg and sperm. Understand? Not egg and egg, not sperm and sperm, egg and sperm. Through what? Through sex, through mating, through making love. I'm pretty sure, I hope you guys have the right knowledge about that. And I believe many parents say that don't go to pornography site and try to get the idea how to arouse girl, because, you know, the porn site is usually a little bit animated to get people excited. That's not really the way women like to be aroused sometimes, or the guy like to have it sometimes. I don't know. But honestly, the best way to do it is don't assume. Everybody is different. Just like you like something I don't. It's the same thing. You get it? So your girlfriend, this girlfriend might be different from the last girlfriend. This boyfriend might be different from the next boyfriend. I don't know. But really, when it comes to intimacy, talk to each other. Talk to each other. That's the better way. You know, I would say watching the movie, see people having normal sex, that's how really normal sex is supposed to go. Not when you go behind our back, go to porn side. I mean, yeah, it might get you excited, but that's exactly what they try to do. So their action may not be the best. Of course, if you, I'm not even sure I'm supposed to talk about that, but you know, let's just put it all in one episode. But you know, if you come to the age, maybe you're 28, maybe you're 30, maybe you're 40, you know, instead of assume your other half, you can discuss. Do you want to give it a try? Do you want to try it? And then we see how it goes. You know what? So that might work better. But before you want to build a family, guys, please, like honestly, condom at all time. Like at all time. Because not only we don't want to have any kids, and honestly, we don't want to have any kids. And for other people and for yourself, we don't want you to get sick. We don't want anything to happen to you. The best thing you can give it to us is demonstrating you can take good care of yourself. And even better, not only you can take good care of yourself, you can also take good care of the person you are with. Okay? So are we all done? I think I touched all the topic. I know I can never have this conversation with you guys more than 1 minute, but this time, you know, I don't care. I don't care how many times you want to spend to watch the show, but, you know, you're going to watch it, okay? Yeah, both of you. You're going to watch this, okay? Because if this really helps, maybe when you become a parent, you don't know how to talk about sex with your kids. This is who I am. Hey, grandkids in the future. Your parents too afraid to tell you about birds and bees, and here I am. Go back to what I was just going to talk about. Yes, your parent had difficulty to talk to you about that, and here I am to talk to you where you come from. You come from an egg and a sperm mate. Therefore, here you are. So, you want to make sure you don't want to have baby? Condom all the time. And don't buy size too small. Don't buy size too big. Find the one that actually fit you. Okay? So, that's it. Yeah, I did it. Let's see you next time. Bye.